Hey guys, this video is going to be a little different. This is an unboxing because guess what, guys? I joined the Young Living crew. Yes, you know I'm all about trying healthy things, and I heard a lot of shenanigans about this and I was so on top of it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it with you guys and show you what you get when you sign up with them. The number one thing you should know is that if you sign up with them, don't think you have to right away start selling anything like that. You could just get it just to get a discount if you want. I'm so excited. Okay, you obviously get your invoice without dropping it. Okay, so you do get, it's kind of like a little newspaper, I guess. Pretty cool. A lot of beneficial information on there. Even a recipe. Okay. So then you receive this box right here. I'm gonna open it right now. And there's this other one right here, which I believe this is the diffuser. Okay. Oh, there goes something. This is the diffuser that I got. This is so nice. I believe this is where you input the things. Oh, this way. So, and it has the little switches here, and I guess the little box I dropped is the connection. You get the instructions on it, little manual for the diffuser. You get a product guide, which is this right, and it basically guides you through each of their products, telling you from information on each product, as well as the prices and the points they give you for each one. Like I said, you do accumulate points just for buying off of them. You could actually get free things just for ordering. Isn't that pretty cool? And this essential oils, blossom comfort food. Ooh, comfort food. So you also get a recipe book. Isn't that really nice? Ooh, that looks yummy. So now let's move on to this here. I believe these are the oils. They do bring this with care. Well, my experience, they actually gave it to me on my hand. They did not just drop it off and throw it somewhere. So then, it does have this sticker that caught my eye that says 25 years young. So it comes with a little note here about the thieves. And then basically, I guess your basic starter kit, what it contains. So then, let's see. You guys, like, who doesn't want this? Look at how nicely packaged this is, and each of them are like it's holding on there tight, and it's a pretty good size. Look at that. Open. I want to open. This is lavender. Oh, that smells so good. I actually have lavender already because I ordered 3 from Grove. Grove does have some essential oils, not many, and I ordered 3 of them, and lavender is in one of them. So I was already familiar with the oils. Then when I heard about Young Living, I was even more interested in it because I had more options. And if you guys didn't know, these have a lot of benefits to them, so stay tuned for upcoming videos so you guys can see how I use these and what I like and what I don't. And then in here, this is at a glance. So it basically is telling you most of these in here, a little more information on them, and that comes in the this little slot here. So I'm super excited to try these. I will make you guys a video soon on how I use each of these. because like I said, I am familiar with them. I know that which ones are good for like sinuses or headaches, anything like that. But I am willing to learn more and give you guys feedback on this. If you guys do want to try this, I will leave my link down below so you guys can take a look on it. Or you guys probably have some recommendations on how to use this. Go ahead and comment down below. Give me all that info. I want to know. I want to try. I will most definitely play around with these and get the best benefit that I can and share it with you guys. So I hope you guys liked it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. You guys, I didn't even show you the bottom of this box. So if you lift the oils up and move them, I was like, why is the box so big? There's a bottom compartment where you get 2 of these. These are the Ningxia red, something like that. I've heard they're super good for you. A lot of antioxidants. So you get 2 of those. You get a Thieves spray, mini spray, like for on the go. You get a hand purifier with peppermint oil. And then you get 2 bonus oils, which is Peace and Calming and Stress Away. And you get the little covers, the little roller balls, so you can put these on any that you want to make it a roller oil to put right on top, which I am so excited to diffuse actually Peace and Calming and Stress Away right now. So I'll show you guys right now.